Apex Court of the land will be hearing the substantive case and subsequently give its judgment as well. That was one of the first voices I played to you this morning on the Morning Star. They had given lawyers for the Speaker of Parliament November 6th to file, and then the Attorney General was saying that initially the Chief Justice said they would just go ahead straight away to deliver judgments, but the Attorney General did say that because of the interest in the matter, at least there should be a hearing after which they will go on and deliver the judgment. So let's hear him as he engaged the Chief Justice, and then we'll set the tone from there. Our legal affairs correspondent is seated. This one, if he's walking around the court and he say cancel, it will not be wrong because he's wearing their uniform. What shudder? Hey, you guys said 3 pieces, and where's the other piece? Senior man, let's hear from the Chief Justice and the Attorney General, Godfrey Wadame.
Thank you, Fernand, to be given the opportunity of filing his case by 6th November. But really, there will be nothing wrong, with all respect, if we come for a hearing on the 7th, unless 7th is not convenient to the court, and then the date for judgment can still stand. I think that in a matter of movement as this, in a matter where the public is really interested in it and all the cameras are, with all respect, it will be a little bit, if I may hesitantly use the word, incongruous for us to just adjourn straight away for judgment without a hearing, especially when the same is enjoined by the rules.
Thank you, Attorney General. So you will address us on the 11th, and then we will adjourn for some hours for judgment, because we would have had the opportunity
of considering
all that has been filed.
Very well, respectfully.
So that is the Chief Justice, and then the Gertrude Arabai Sabatokonu, and then the Attorney General Godfrey Wadame. Mutala Inusa, good morning to you. How are you?
Good morning, Adede. I'm good. Yourself?
I'm well. Thank you for asking. What's up?
Yes. How was your weekend?
It was good.
And how's Manchester City treating you?
Forget Manchester City.
Oh,
I mean,
so
I'm saying.
soon?
Oh no, I haven't. I'm just saying
you
that.
can just do away with City. Just
No, I'm not doing away with City.
Okay.
I'm just telling you that it's life.
It's life. Okay.
Yes. I mean,
you just have to do.
We've been there. We've
ups
done
and
that.
Downs and all that. Hey,
We've been
there.
We've
not easy.
We've been there, Nana. Don't worry.
Football
So let's talk about the courts. Don't worry. What's happening in the courts?
Yes,
today?
Nadede. A lot is happening today, especially when we know that all eyes
are on the Supreme Court.
The Apex Court 7-member panel presided over by Her Ladyship, the Chief Justice of the Republic of Ghana, as by law established Justice Gertrude Araba Esaba Saki Tokon. But just before I come to that, let me tell you something interesting that happened. On Saturday. The president of the Judicial Service Staff Association of Ghana, Mr. Samuel Afote Otu, has been named as an outstanding judicial service leader at the 16th Ghana Leadership Award on Saturday. In fact, it was an interesting ceremony where he was recognized for his stewardship, the kind of work that he's been doing for the association and also for the judicial service. And the award states that this has recognized and celebrated your career, distinctive achievement, commitment, perseverance, and loyalty to Ghana's judicial service by demonstrating exceptional leadership, outstanding and long-standing dedication to the rule of law for God and country, that you are epitome of excellence. So that is the citation that was came with the award that was conferred on the president of the Judicial Service Staff Association, Mr. Samuel Afote Otu. And in fact, while picking up this award, he was supported by the GSAC secretary, Abdullahi Yakubu, and the Greater Accra Regional Chair of GSAC, Mr. Ramsey. But he's been speaking after he picked up that particular award. What exactly does this award mean, and how does it spur him on in the rest of his administration?
I feel great.
How does it spur you to push on with activities of the judicial service staff?
So that what I think people are not seeing, everybody is saying it. So I have to sit up well and then do more. I have to deliver well because I can see people are monitoring it. So we have to do a better job for them.
So that is Mr. Samuel Afuti. He said, look, he didn't know eyes are watching, but this is to spur him on to do more for the association. And nowadays, we are in an election year, and every institution would be advising or sending some word of caution, urging its members to be able to put up a behavior or show up at an election center, go and cast their vote, and then make sure that they conduct themselves clearly. Say, look, as a judicial officer, an election of this nature, EC will do its work, but some parties who are not happy with the situation will come to the court. So if you are seen in party colors, the chances are that you will not, or the judiciary will not be trusted. And it is an offense if a judicial officer engages in politics. Let's hear the advice he has for members.
Looking at the timing and where we are now, we are just about less than a month for election. And in as much as we have right to vote, and then we have our right to do other things, I think we should do that carefully. We should not allow ourselves to be used by politicians. And that has been the message from day one. And I want to urge every member to stay away from political hooliganism. Go to the voting. After you vote, you just go home. That is all. So I want to urge every JUSAC member to remain focused. They should vote wisely, and then after vote, go home and then sit down. They should not stay or remain at the voting grounds. Involving yourself in political activities is a major offense, the judicial officer. So all that I'm telling our members is, yes, the Electoral Commission will do their work. Some of the aggrieved members will resort in court. But if you are identified to be with a particular party, people may see that yes, you have taken side already. So they should just vote peacefully and then come home. That's all. We should not engage, we should avoid wearing political shirts, t-shirts here and there. We should remain neutral.
So that is Mr. Samuel Afote Otu, the president of the Judicial Service Staff Association, urging members to display good attitude during the election and all that. So that's what happened on Saturday at Ghana Leadership Award. A lot of persons also received award in relation to this very exercise. So that's one of the things that took place.
Now today.
Yes.
Today be today.
Today be today. Today, 4 members of parliament will know their fate. And do you know who they are, Nadidi?
Oh, we know that there is member of parliament for Amenfi Central.
Okay.
There's a member of parliament for Suhum.
Yes.
There's also member of parliament for Agona West or East, one of them.
Charlie. I always say that you have your memory is so very strong, very very strong. I will struggle to mention all these names.
Really?
Often. Yes.
Oh, okay.
Well, let me just. So the first is Honourable Cynthia Mamle Morrison, a member of parliament for Aguna West, MPP MP.
Yes.
Yes, and she's going as an independent candidate. Then we have Honorable Andrew Esiama Amwakun, MP for Formina constituency. Is it the one who came and then became the speaker?
Yes, the second deputy speaker.
And then he was told that the president, I'm sorry, I beg your pardon, saying that I cannot work with somebody who do not listen to me, who do not respect me. But after winning the election and came to parliament, he has to be urged on to join the party again. Interesting times ahead. Then we have Honorable Kojo Asante, Member of Parliament for Suhun, like you mentioned earlier. Then Honorable Peter Yao Kwache Aka. I had the opportunity to meet this MP sometime in August when I had to attend a friend's wedding ceremony in the Western region. It was one of the chairperson at the event, and it was very interesting. I didn't know at the time that he was. I would have asked him a lot of questions. Absolutely. So these are the names. 3 of them with the MPP
and one.
And the speaker on the 17th of October declared those 4 seats vacant. The Alexander Afenyo Markins and the minority, did I say minority? The NPP side disagreed and went to the Supreme Court with an ex-party motion on the blind side of the speaker and the minority. And the Supreme Court upheld that particular application and said that the speaker's ruling or declaration should be stayed. Fast forward, the speaker and its lawyers went to the Supreme Court to have that particular Supreme Court earlier ruling set aside. Mr. Tadosori was the one leading the speaker, supported by Dr. Justice Shremsai. And then the Attorney General and lawyers of the applicant, Alexander Afenyo Markins, Parkwesi Abedu, Mr. Joe Gatti is also involved there. They opposed to that, and the Supreme Court upheld that its earlier ruling should still stay. And so dismissed Speaker's application for that earlier decision of the apex court to be reversed. Today, the court, like you mentioned earlier, the court at that day gave the Speaker, who had exhausted the time frame within which to file their processes, to file within November 6th. And on the 11th of November, which is today, the parties will converge. And you initially mentioned that the Supreme Court had said that today would be a day to deliver their judgments. The Attorney General said that, look, because of the interest of the matter and the fact that the Speaker's lawyers were to file within a later date, we want to address the court or highlight some of the key issues that we want the court to take note of, which has been agreed. So today, we'll hear, or they'll be hearing from all the parties. First of all, the lawyers of Alexander Afenyo Markins, because they're the applicants in this particular matter. The Honorable Joe Gatti will be leading the team, Parkwesi Abedu, all these lawyers representing Afenyo Markins, Alexander Afenyo Markins. Then when you go to the Speaker of Parliament at the last court sitting, Mr. Tadosori and then Dr. Justice Shremsai, they are also representing the Speaker of Parliament. Then the Attorney General, at the last court sitting, the Attorney General came with a full house. The Attorney General himself, the 2 deputies, Dinah Asuna Badapa and Alfred Chiayebo, and some other state attorneys. So we do hope that today being a very important day, we are going to have full house, and in fact going to have a very packed Supreme Court. But you know what is clear is that it will be live on Starr FM
and GH1 TV. And so what time does it start?
9:30. Exactly 9:30.
Okay.
It is the first case. You know, today is Monday, and the Supreme Court hardly sit on Mondays, but today they are sitting. Tuesday they will not sit. Thursday, Wednesday they will not sit. Then the last sitting will be on Thursday. Okay. So today, one of the biggest cases is that these 4 MPs are likely to know their fate. And what is clear is that after hearing the parties, the Supreme Court, the panel of 7 will proceed. And do you know who the panel members are? No. Let me just tell you before.
I know the Chief Justice is on there.
Yes, the Chief Justice,
and
of course.
Justice Gaiwutu is there.
Justice N.S. Gaiwu.
Yes.
Yes, he's also there. So the 7-member panel will be dealing with this subject matter, like you mentioned. The Chief Justice, Gertrude Saki Araba Tokonu, is the Chief Judge, the presiding judge of this panel. Then we have Justice Amadu Omoro Yusuf Tanko. Are you listening to the names? We have Justice Lovelace Johnson. And these 2 that I have mentioned are the 2 that have been added
additions
earlier. And all those 2 applications that we had, the Afenyo Markins ex parte, the Speaker of Parliament, there were 5, excluding Justice Amadou Tanko and Justice Lovelace Johnson. They were added to make 7 because it's a constitutional matter.
Yes.
But who were the earlier 5 justices who dealt with those 2 applications? The Chief Justice, Justice Mariama Owusu, Justice Samuel Esiedu, Justice Ernest Gau, whose membership of the panel became a subject matter of objection, and then Justice Yao Dakun Asari. So these were the initial 5 that dealt with their interlocutory application. Then we have Justice Amadou Tanko, and Justice Obdi Johnson joining to make 7. So these are the justices that we will be hearing from today.
All right. Once it starts, you definitely hear here on Starr 103.5 FM. Thank you very much, Mutala Inusa, our legal affairs correspondent, looking very much like his accolades, the best legal affairs correspondent in the whole Ghana.